In this video, I'll show you how to add multiple focus key phrases in Yoast SEO to boost your content's reach and attract more organic traffic. Using multiple focus key phrases helps your content appear for a wider range of search terms, and Yoast SEO Premium makes it easy to manage. First, make sure you have Yoast SEO Premium installed and activated on your WordPress site, as this feature isn't available in the free version. Once installed, open the post or page you want to optimize. Scroll to the Yoast SEO meta box, which you'll find below the content area or in the sidebar if you're using the block editor. Start by entering your primary focus key phrase. This is the main keyword that best represents your post's topic and will anchor your SEO analysis. Choose it carefully as it sets the foundation for your content's optimization. Next, expand your reach by clicking Add Related Key Phrase. You can enter up to 4 additional key phrases. These related key phrases complement your primary term and target variations, synonyms, or long-tail keywords. Each key phrase receives its own analysis from Yoast, offering actionable feedback on placement, keyword density, headings, and overall SEO improvements. By optimizing for multiple focus key phrases, you improve your chances of being discovered while enhancing the relevance and quality of your content. This strategy is a simple yet powerful way to maximize your visibility and attract more visitors to your site. Thanks for watching, and keep optimizing your content with Yoast SEO Premium for the best results.